Let's go ahead and cover who to hire when building custom software. It takes a full product development team to build custom software. For this, you can build a team of freelancers, hire an internal team, or work with an agency. So first off, a freelancer is a self-employed individual who is skilled in a specific area. Depending on the project, one freelancer may not be enough. This would then require a freelance team made of several experienced professionals. Because they don't work for an employer, they determine what they want to charge, who they want to work with, and how many projects they want to work on. This often makes building a freelance team a cost-friendly option. An in-house development team is a group of professionals who work in your office. To create an internal team, businesses must build a new department and hire employees fit for the open roles. Determining processes and finding professionals is often costly and can take a large amount of time. When the project is complete, your business may not need this department anymore, resulting in unneeded employees and resources. Next up, let's look at agencies. Agencies are established teams of professionals who work together seamlessly. Software development agency teams commonly consist of project managers, designers, developers, and more, providing expertise from a variety of fields. Agencies can be hired exactly when you need them and offer long-term support at a low cost to your business. Unlike internal teams, agencies already have processes in place. For guidance determining which agency may be best fit for your project, try visiting clutch.co. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe and ring the bell to stay notified. And if you have any further questions, go ahead and leave those in the comment section. All right, have a good one.